entities supply under GST. Services represented by interest or discount are exempt under GST. No GST on deemed supply of processing, facilitating, administering services when no fees is charged. GST is applicable on any fees charged over and above interest or discount. और ये सारा वीडियो जो भी रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं, लाइव रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं, ये यूट्यूब में भी जाएगा। और यूट्यूब के ऑडियंस को कहना चाह रहा हूं कि अगर आप इस लाइव डिस्कशन का पार्ट होना चाह रहे हैं तो आपको ये हमारा एक जीएसटी लिटिगेशन प्रीमियम क्लब है, उसको ज्वाइन कीजिएगा। हमारा ऑफिस के नंबर पे कॉल करके डिटेल पता कर लीजिएगा। दूसरा, यूट्यूब में एक सब्सक्रिप्शन के साथ एक बटन होता है जिसको हम लोग ज्वाइन का बटन कहते हैं। उस ज्वाइन करेंगे तो उसमें जीएसटी के सारे कोर्स हमने अपलोड किए हुए हैं, तो उसको भी आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं। 218 26 जून 2024। इसमें देखिए क्या हुआ है। हाँ, यूट्यूब में डाल रहा हूँ।
नहीं, आपका वेबसाइट में भी है ना
ये सर्कुलर, ये पीडीएफ
हाँ
डालेंगे, अभी है नहीं।
ओके
अभी एक डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, कुछ चेंजेस होगा तो इसीलिए नहीं डाला। सर्कुलर नंबर 218 26 जून 2024। इसमें हो क्या रहा है देखिए। बाहर की होल्डिंग कंपनी आउटसाइड इंडिया, यहां लिखता हूं, यहाँ आउटसाइड इंडिया होल्डिंग कंपनी, इन इंडिया सब्सिडरी कंपनी, ये इसको लोन देती है। अब इस लोन के ऊपर जीएसटी लगेगा या नहीं लगेगा? सॉरी, इसके इंटरेस्ट के ऊपर जीएसटी लगेगा या नहीं लगेगा? जल्दी बताइए।
नहीं,
नहीं लगेगा। क्यों नहीं लग रहा है?
इंटरेस्ट इज एग्जम्प्ट।
इंटरेस्ट इज एग्जम्प्ट। अब मान लीजिए ये कंपनी ओवर एंड अबव लोन प्रोसेसिंग के लिए प्रोसेसिंग चार्ज या प्रोसेसिंग चार्ज मांगती है, या फिर इस बिजनेस को समझने के लिए किसी कंसल्टेंट को अपॉइंट करती है, उसका चार्ज, और मतलब ओवर एंड अबव इंटरेस्ट के अलावा कुछ और चार्जेस मांगती है, तो इसके ऊपर जीएसटी लगेगा या नहीं लगेगा?
हाँ,
लगेगा।
यस, बिकॉज इंपोर्ट और सर्विस इसको आरसीएम पे देना पड़ेगा। लेकिन ये सर्कुलर क्या कह रहा है कि अगर ये होल्डिंग कंपनी नहीं होती, कोई दूसरी कंपनी भी होती, मतलब थर्ड पार्टी होती, तो हो सकता है ये प्रोसेसिंग चार्ज, कंसल्टेंसी चार्ज वेव कर देती, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द अमाउंट ऑफ लोन। तो इस केस में इनके ऊपर भी जीएसटी नहीं लगेगा। आइए मैं पढ़ता हूं। मैं यहां एक बार पढ़ लेता हूं। Taxability of loan transaction between related parties or overseas affiliates. Service of granting loan credit advances by an entity to its related entities supply under GST. Services represented by interest or discount are exempt under GST. No GST on deemed supply of processing, facilitating, administering services when no fees is charged. GST is applicable on any fees charged over and above interest or discount. अभी ये इसको नीचे भी पढ़ के बताते हैं। Important consideration. Processing fee, generally a one-time charge to cover administrative cost of processing loan applications. Related party loans may not require the same level of processing as loans between unrelated parties. Waivers of charge, lenders may waive administrative charges based on various factors. अब आइए दिखाता हूँ। So as per clause 71C, serial number 2, serial number 4, schedule 1, supply of goods or services of both between related persons when made in the course of furtherance of business shall be treated as supply even if made without consideration. Therefore, it is evident that service of granting loan, credit, advances by an entity to its related entity is a supply under GST. फिर आगे आते हैं, ये सर्विसेज बाय वे ऑफ एक्सटेंडिंग लोन डिपॉजिट, ये एग्जेम्प्ट है, ये नोटिफिकेशन में एग्जेम्प्ट भी किया हुआ है। by way of is fully exempt under GST. फिर ये कहता है, it is mentioned that overseas affiliates or domestic related persons are generally charging no consideration in the form of processing fee oblique service fee, other than the consideration by way of interest. Doubts are being raised regarding the taxability of the services of processing, administrating, facilitating the loan in such cases by deeming the same as supply as per this. The processing fee, service fee is generally a one-time charge that lenders levy on applicants when they apply for a loan. This fee is generally non-refundable and is used to cover the administrative cost of processing the loan application. Charges of any other nature in respect of loan other than this would be liable to GST. This has been clarified at serial number this. It is significant to note that processing service fee is generally charged by the bank, financial institution from the recipient of the loan in order to cover the administrative cost of processing the loan application. An independent lender may carry out a thorough credit assessment of the potential borrower to identify and evaluate the risk involved and to consider methods of monitoring and managing those risks. Such credit assessment may include understanding the business of the applicant as well as the purpose of the loan, financial standing and credibility of the applicant, how it is to be structured and the source of its repayment, which may include analysis of borrower's cash flows forecast, the strength of the borrower's balance sheet, and where any collateral is offered, due diligence on the collateral offered may also be required to be carried out. To cover such costs, the independent lender generally collect a fee that is the nature of processing fee, administrative charges, survey fee, loan granting, which is leviable to GST. However, when an entity is extending a loan to a related entity, it may not require to follow such process as are followed by independent lender. For example, it may not need to go through the same process of information gathering about the borrower's business, his financial standing and credibility and other details, as the required information may already be readily available within the group or between the related persons. The lender may not also take any collateral from the borrower. Accordingly, in case of loans provided between related parties, there may not be activity of processing the loan and no administrative cost may be involved in granting such a loan. Therefore, it may not be desirable to place the services being provided for processing the loans by banks or independent lenders vis-a-vis loans provided by related party on equal footing. दोनों equal नहीं हो सकता. Even in case of loans provided between unrelated parties, there may not be any processing fee, administrative charge, loan granting charges, etc. based on relationship between the bank, independent lender and the person taking the loan. कभी-कभी बैंक waive off कर देता, पता नहीं processing charge नहीं लेगा, सिर्फ interest लेंगे. The lender might waive off the administrative charges in full based on the nature and amount of loan granted, as well as based on the relationship between the lender and the concerned person taking the loan. Accordingly, in the cases where no consideration is charged by the person it cannot be said that any supply of service is being provided between the said related person in the form of processing, facilitating and with this, तो इस पे GST नहीं लगेगा. लेकिन अगर चार्ज करता तब GST लग जाएगा. So, however, in cases of loans provided between related parties, wherever any fees in the nature of processing fee, administrative charge, this is charged over and above, तब GST लग रहा है, वरना नहीं लग रहा. No GST on deal supply when no fees is charged. GST is applicable on any fees charged over and above interest or discount. तो अगर fees charge नहीं कर रहा है तो नहीं लगेगा, fees charge कर रहा है तो लगेगा. कौन सा 218? किसी को कुछ कहना है इसमें?